here at the refuge, trying to catch some big black drum in the flats. We'll see you guys when we catch something. There is a donkey behind us. We spend every time we came out anywhere. I know it's like a mating season, but they're everywhere. Okay, River Rats, this is our first fish of the day, and it is a croaker. Pretty big guy too. We're gonna go up this guy go. Okay, River Rats, this is our second croaker of the day. We moved to the new spot, and almost immediately we caught this croaker. He's a stubborn little guy, and we're gonna let him go. Muddy water and wind, you know what that means. Okay, River Rats, this is a speckled trout. This spot, this area is on fire. We're catching fish after fish. And we're gonna go let this pretty trout go. Okay, River Rats, this is our first whiting of the day, and this guy is beautiful. His vibrant colors and all that. And we're gonna go let him go. We're having a very quick lunch break while the bite is slow. Okay, River Rats, this is our third or second whiting of the day. I do not know. We've caught so many fish in the last 15 minutes. And we're gonna go let this beautiful fish go. Okay, River Rats, we have this beautiful whiting right here, and we're gonna go let him go.